Morning student. In this video, we will discuss the term coordination and why this coordination is not called as a separate function but as a essence of management. First of all, what is coordination? Coordination is the process by which activities of different departments are synchronized to ensure unity of action. That it is integrating process in an orderly pattern of group efforts in an organization towards the accomplishment of a common objective. This term can be denoted in different way, like the process by which it synchronizes the activities of various departments. Coordination deals with synchronizing and unifying the actions of a group of people. Coordination is brain in the body of management skill. Coordination is the force that binds all the other functions of management. So we can conclude that coordination is the force that binds all other functions of management. Let us take one example. In a pen manufacturing company, suppose the sales department has received an order of 10,000 unit, and this target cannot be achieved or it cannot be executed unless production department produce 10,000 unit, and production department cannot produce 10,000 units unless purchase department purchase the raw material and provides the same to the production department. Thus all the departments are not, if not properly coordinated, then organizational objective cannot be efficiently achieved. So we can say that coordination is the force that binds all the other functions of management. Now let us discuss why coordination is not a separate function of management. It is essence of management. It is present everywhere. This we can explain with there are some following reasons why it is called as an essence of management. Number of times this question is asked in board examination, why coordination is not a separate function but it is an essence of management. You just justify this statement. First reason is coordination is needed to perform all functions of management. As we have already discussed the 5 functions of management: planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. See, there is a presence of coordination in all functions of management. Here it is explained. In planning, coordination is required between main plan and supportive plans of different departments. In organizing, it is required between different resources of an organization and also between authority, responsibility and accountability. And in staffing, it is required between skills of a person and job assigned to him, means between efficiency and compensation. In directing, it is required between superior and subordinates, between order, instruction, guidelines and suggestions, etc. In controlling, it is required between standards and actual performance. So this we can see that coordination is present everywhere in all functions of management. And now in the second case, it is required at all levels. As we have already discussed the various levels of management: top level, middle level, lower level. At top level, it is required to integrate all the activities of organization and lead the efforts of all individuals in one common direction. They should not move individually, it should be towards the achievement of organizational goals. At middle level, to balance the activities of different departments so that they can work as a part of an organization. As I already discussed, how there should be a coordination between sales department, production department and purchase department, then only the achievement of target is possible. Now, coordination at operational level to integrate the activities of workers towards achievement of organizational objectives. So it is present at all level of management, and coordination is the most important functions of an organization. Any company which fails to coordinate its activities cannot survive and run successfully for a long period of time. So, we can conclude in short that without coordination, no company can work efficiently and earn profit. And this is also the answer of the question why coordination is a essence of management. And now I am concluding my topic by this. See this picture here. In this picture you can see a successful orchestra conductor create creates coordination among his orchestra players by using his gestures and produce harmony in music. So there is a proper coordination and ultimately there is a harmony in music. Just by gesture there the coordination is maintained. But see in the second picture there is a lack of coordination, all workers are confused and there is a conflict also how the work. So this picture shows that all the workers are confused and conflicts also arises. So this way it is impossible to achieve the goal of organization and to survive in the competitive market. So this is what the role of coordination. Without coordination, success of organization is impossible. So finally, we can conclude that it is an integrating process in an orderly pattern of group efforts in an organization towards the accomplishment of a common objective. Generally, we come across two terms used in this: cooperation. Is cooperation and coordination is same? No. Cooperation and coordination, of course, these two terms is look like there is a similarity in these two words, but let me explain this two term. Suppose a teacher aspires to teach effectively. This is a cooperation, but the timetable is not prepared in the school. So this is lack of coordination. In this situation, classes cannot be arranged for, hence the effort made by teacher is meaningless. On the other hand, in the absence of cooperation, coordination dissatisfies the employees. So thus both are required at a given point of time. Means cooperation in the absence of coordination may lead to wasted efforts, and coordination without cooperation may lead to dissatisfaction among employees. So this way we can say that coordination is an essence of management. This is all about this topic. Thank you.